Today we talk the story of Prophet Adam alayhi salam, the first human, a journey from heaven to earth. Before there were mountains, before the oceans, before the moon or the stars, there was nothing, just the eternal presence of Allah. And then a magnificent decision was made to create a being unlike any other. Allah said to the angels, "Indeed, I am going to create a human being from clay." From the earth, Allah shaped the first man, Adam alayhi salam. He was formed from clay, molded with perfect balance and beauty. Allah then breathed into him His spirit, and Adam alayhi salam came to life. Allah commanded the angels prostrate to Adam, and they all did, except Iblis. Iblis, full of pride, refused. "I am better than him. You created me from fire and him from clay." This arrogance caused Iblis to be expelled from the mercy of Allah. Allah placed Adam alayhi salam in paradise Jannah, a place with no pain, no sorrow, no hunger. And then from Adam alayhi salam's rib, Allah created Hawa, his companion. They were told, "Eat freely from all of paradise, but do not go near this one tree." But Iblis, now the sworn enemy of humans, whispered to them, "Shall I lead to you the tree of eternity?" And in a moment of weakness, they ate from it. The command had been broken. With heavy hearts, Adam and Hawa were sent down to earth. They wept, they repented, and Allah, the most merciful, accepted their repentance. The Adam received words from his Lord, and he accepted his repentance. Indeed, he is the accepting of repentance, the merciful. Adam alayhi salam became the first prophet, the first father, the first teacher. He taught his children about Allah, about right and wrong, and about the importance of obedience. He lived for nearly 1,000 years, a life of worship, patience, and guidance. And thus began the story of mankind. From one soul, the human race spread across the world. The story of Adam alayhi salam is not just a story of creation. It is a story of mercy, of struggle, of hope after mistakes. Just like Adam alayhi salam, we all slip, but the really question is, will we turn back to Allah like he did? Because every human begins the same way, but it is our choices that define where we end up. From the clay of the earth to the gardens of Jannah, once more our journey continues. May we walk it with faith, humility, and remembrance of the one who created all us. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And always remember where you came from. Thank you.